Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're going to be making some baked ziti, which is a bit of a condensed version of this video. If you guys want more details, you might want to go back on my channel and watch my other video of my baked ziti for a little bit more detail, or you can ask down below in the comments. So I'm going to saute this Italian sausage with some onions and peppers. I do some ground beef as well, as you can see, and then I add some tomato paste, a can of diced tomatoes, and then a can of crushed tomatoes. And this is how we get to this consistency here. I leave that on the side to simmer because I like my sauce to cook, and in that time I'm going to put together on the side my ricotta mix. Now that's going to be ricotta cheese, a couple eggs. You can see me putting in some mozzarella as well as some fresh Parmesan and some herbs. I'll use an Italian blend there as well as some salt, and then I'm just going to go ahead and give that a mix. Now, after I got that all mixed in together, this is the consistency I'm going for. I put my pasta, which I used rigatoni. Feel free to use the pasta of your liking. And then I'm going to go ahead with my sauce. You can see that is thickened up. I do not like a wet, like just runny sauce. That's just my preference. So I went ahead and dropped my ricotta in there, and I'm just going to slowly mix that in and do this kind of gently because I don't want it completely combined. If you do, then feel free. It's your thing, guys. So after I've gone ahead with that, I'm gonna go ahead and add some more cheese in here, which I use mozzarella and a provolone blend. Mix that up, top it off with more cheese, some more dried herbs. I use some parsley and Italian blend, and I'm gonna put that in the oven on 350 until it looks just like this for about 30 minutes. Let me know how you guys enjoyed this down below in the comments, or if you have any questions. Bye.